Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the Vechain. Vechain is one of the best cryptocurrencies, as you know at this time, and especially in this time the Vechain is going to the moon. And let's see, in this video I'm show you the latest update, the latest price change occur at this time, the price of the Vechain. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates. I hope you subscribe my channel. That is why thank you so much once again friends. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Vechain. As you see here on the screen, at this time price of the Vechain as about 0.228 575 USD dollar at this time price of the Vechain. On the other hand, if we look the price is occur in a Vechain, so as you can see here, the last 1 hour price change as negative, last 1 day price change is positive, last 1 week change is again positive. Only and only the last 1 hour price change as negative friends. Except of these, the whole changes occur in the Vechain as going positive friends. Absolutely, that's a good news for all the Vechain holders, that Vechain goes to the moon. Congratulations. My prediction about the Vechain is very positive, because I think that the Vechain make us millionaire in 2021 friends. Anyways, if we look at this time the price chart of the Vechain, so as you can see here, they are also taking a high jump, as you can see here on the screen. And but now they are at this time they're falling down. I hope that is a temporary fast, and after some fast they can take a jump like that friends. Hope they are going to the moon. The Vechain giving us a surprise news tonight friends. Wait for it tonight. Vechain take a high jump. That's my prediction. 3.02% positive change occur in the Vechain, and the last in the 24 hours Vechain take a high jump, positive 3.02%. On the other hand, if we look the highest price of the Vechain, 0.24097 USD dollar is the highest price of the Vechain and the last 1 day friends. What's your prediction? What's your opinion about Vechain? Please tell me in the comment box. And kindly friends, I'm again telling you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.